Hi, I'm from Korea. This is what Koreans eat when their fridge is full. Bibimbap is a simple way to use any ingredients in your fridge. It's simple, colorful, and delicious. Let's get started. For today's bibimbap, you will need bean sprouts, carrot, spinach, mushrooms, and some greens. I'm using sprouts today, but feel free to use whatever vegetables you have in your fridge. You also need eggs, salt, sesame oil, and gochujang, a Korean chili pepper paste. I'm using stir-fried gochujang today, but regular gochujang is perfectly fine. I will leave a recipe for a seasoned gochujang sauce with the bibimbap recipe in the pinned comment below. Now, let's prepare the vegetables. Cut the carrots into thin strips so they will mix well with the rice. Rinse the bean sprouts under cold water, then drain them well. Do the same with the spinach. Finally, give the sprouts a quick rinse and let them drain too. Add a little salt to a pot of boiling water. Blend the bean sprouts for 3 to 4 minutes, then drain them well. There's no need to rinse them with cold water. For the spinach, blanch it the same way, but only for 30 to 40 seconds. If you cook it too long, it will become too soft. Drain the spinach, rinse it under cold water, then gently squeeze out the excess water. Stir-fry the carrots with a little oil. Once they start to soften, season them with a little salt. Cook the mushrooms the same way, seasoning them with a little salt as well. Seasoning each vegetable separately helps bring out its own flavor. Traditionally, each vegetable is seasoned individually with ingredients like sesame oil, garlic, and salt. But today, we're keeping it simple. The eggs are totally up to you. Fry them however you like. I'm making 2 servings today, so I'm using 2 eggs. Now, it's time to put everything together. Bibimbap literally means mixed rice. There's no right or wrong way to make bibimbap. It's a simple meal made by putting rice, vegetables, and other toppings together. You can use whatever vegetables you have in your fridge. Every family makes it a little differently, and that's part of what makes it special. Look at this! This is bibimbap! It's time to mix it. Add some sesame oil and gochujang. Start with a small amount of gochujang, then add more to taste. You can always add more, but you can't take it out. It's the most satisfying part for me. Breaking the yolk. The best part is when every bite has a little bit of everything. Once everything is evenly coated with the sauce, it's ready to enjoy. If you don't like spicy food, you can use soy sauce instead, or mix soy sauce and gochujang for a mild flavor. And that's it! I hope you enjoy making bibimbap at home. For the detailed recipe, check the pinned comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.